Happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day in Hawaii on a new island. Wish I could have been there, but instead I can send you a video from my house in Portland. Yay for 21st century technology. So, you're turning 60 today. That's a lot of decades. You've accomplished a lot in that time. You've had a lot of really cool occupations, like being an accountant, you've been a photographer, and probably hardest of all, you raised 5 kids. I can't imagine how difficult that must have been at times, but you always made sure we had fun. You always made sure we ate really well, and you've done a great job. So thank you. When Julie was visiting me, she was telling me about when we were little, you would make us go up these really, really large hills. And at the end, we would be so hungry and you would have some healthy food for us. Julie just said it was one of her favorite memories when she was a kid. And I don't really remember that, but I'm I'm sure it was a super solid good time. As every other time, we would go on adventures. We always made sure we would. I remember we would do it like almost every weekend. We got to grow up in Alaska because of you. We've been able to do so much. Most of your kids have gone and traveled, and you helped me and Tim buy a car. You've been there for countless, countless pieces of advice that have helped shape us into successful, independent young adults. So thank you. I, because of you, I'm able to live as a young millennial in Portland with my avocado toast and my kitty cat. Um, so I hope you're having a great day. Hopefully I'll see you soon. And don't party too hard.